The subject of this video is what is a network protocol. People need to speak the same language to communicate with each other. People who speak different languages cannot communicate with each other. This also applies to devices. Certain standards have been developed for two devices to communicate with each other. These standards are called network protocols. Protocols ensure that the network works properly and data transfer is reliable. Without going into details, I would like to give a few protocol examples. We will learn the details of these and many similar protocols in the following videos of the playlist. For example, the Internet Protocol allows devices on the network to identify each other and direct data to the correct address. Each device connected to the Internet has its own IP address. Hypertext Transfer Protocol allows web pages to be transmitted between web browsers and servers. File Transfer Protocol allows files to be transferred over the network. It is used to upload and download files. Domain Name System converts domain names to IP addresses so that users can access websites with their domain names. Each protocol performs a specific function and ensures that devices and applications on the network work harmoniously. Protocols are usually determined as international standards and standardize data communication on the network. In this video, we answered the question of what is a network protocol. I recommend you to watch the next network lesson. If you have any questions, you can state them in the comments.